watching? You're watching the birds, Olivia. Go ahead. Mommy didn't mean to disturb you. You watch those birds. Every night, this is Olivia's favorite thing to do. She comes to this chair, she sits and she looks out the window to watch birds. Might as well be her TV. Bird watching. Daphne. Yeah, you see that? Look at her tail. Look at the birds, huh? What do you like about them? Are they fun? Sometimes she'll actually try to climb the window, try to get the birds, because we have a tree right out there, and it attracts lots and lots of birds. She does this nightly, every single evening at this time. It's very predictable now. Bird watching evening time. Good job, Lulu.